Hello everyone, this is Rekha and today we are going to discuss the topic about importance of flipped classroom. As Bergman and Sams, who introduced this flipped classroom model, says that there are four pillars of this flipped classroom model, in which the F represents a flexible environment. That is, the educators who flip their classes are flexible in their expectation. And whereas L stands for learning culture. That is, the students are actively involved in knowledge construction. And the I, which stands for intentional content. That is, the educators continuously think about how they can use the flipped learning model to help the students. The next comes is the professional educator. That is, the educators continually observe the students, providing them feedback relevant in the moment and accessing their work. As you can see from the Bloom's taxonomy, actually in the traditional learning model, the lower level of learning such as remembering and understanding is happening in the class, while the students are usually left to work on activities that involve higher level of learning outside of the classroom. However, in the flipped classroom model learning, as you can see from the pyramid, students can finish the lower level of cognitive work before the class. And when they come to class, they can engage in higher cognitive levels of learning with peers and teacher present. Because the class time is spent doing hands-on work and thinking critically, the teachers can more easily spot knowledge gaps and work to address the minimum real time rather than waiting until test day to see how much a student understands. And research says that teachers have good reason to stick with the flipped classroom approach. And this is that the Flipped Learning Network reports says that 67% of surveyed instructors saw an important improvement in the student test scores after utilizing this flipped learning model, and 80% reported an improvement in the student motivation, and according to the same survey, 88% of the flipped learning instructors reported that they have an improved job satisfaction after flipping the classroom, which indicates that the flipped instruction is very beneficial to the overall learning and teaching experience. So we have the various benefits of using this flipped classroom model. The benefits are it provides opportunity for differentiated learning, and students can become the independent learners, and also can promote active learning, which is focused on developing higher order skills. As we discussed earlier, that we can have high cognitive levels of learning, and also it promotes the peer interaction and collaboration, and also the individual interact with the content prior to the class time, and also the learners get an opportunity for individualized attention so that the learning becomes more prominent compared to teaching. And also you can say that it has increased efficiency, that is maximizing the class time. Thank you.